Hello friends, welcome to Clipping Amazon Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to remove people from a photo within a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Photoshop and a photo from where we want to remove people. In this photo, I want to remove this woman. So for it, select the rectangle selection tool and select the area from photo. After that, go to Select, then Modify and then Expand. Now, check the Apply effect at Canvas Bounce and press OK. Now we go to Edit and Content Hour Fill. Now we can see the preview, where there is nothing. This woman is not present at there anymore. This is done. In this process, we can remove any unwanted objects from a photo very easily and within a very short time. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do like and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, feel free to visit our website www.clippingamazon.com. Thanks for watching.